Hello there. Let's see how we can install Xampp on the Ubuntu Linux operating system. Open any browser you are using. Search for Xampp. Go to site. Here you can see Xampp for Linux. Click on it. Then downloading will be started. Save it to the Downloads folder. Now open Terminal panel. Here in the terminal, type sudo su to become a root user. Type your password. Then go to Downloads folder. Type cd downloads. Then type ls to see the all files of downloads folder. Here search for the Xampp file that we have downloaded. Select this file and copy by pressing Ctrl+Shift+C. Now type // and past file name using Ctrl+Shift+V. If there is space, remove this. We have to write this in single line. Then hit the Enter. Congrats, Xampp installation windows has started. Now just click Next and wait for installation finish. Here we can see that Xampp will be installed under /opt/lamp. Installation has done. Now we can use Xampp.
Hold me I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Let's see how we can reopen the Xampp. Go to the terminal. Type sudo su. Type your password. Then go to the root directory. If you are inside the home directory, by typing cd command. Type cd/opt. Again type cd lamp. Type ls to see the files under the lamp folder. Here search for .run file. Here it is, manager linux.run file, copy it. Lastly type / and type or pass the above .run file name in the single line without any space. Then hit the enter, application will be started. Thanks a lot for the watching. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel. Have a good day.